May I ask everyone to please rise? Okay, Mr. Makalelong, please lead the prayer. Okay, thank you, Makalelong. Good morning, class. But before we take our seat, kindly pick up all the pieces of paper under your chair and arrange your chair properly, and you may now be seated. Class secretary, is there any absent for today? Excellent, perfect attendance. Okay, class, last meeting I give you an assignment. Okay, please pass your assignment forward. Last discussion, we discussed the introduction to graph. Can anybody tell me what is a graph? Anyone from the class? Okay, Mr. De Rojas. That's correct, very good. It seems that you really understood our last topic. I give you an activity, a short activity. This activity is titled Tell Me Something, direction of our activity. I will group you into 3 groups, and all you have to do is describe each of pictures. I give you pictures. Is that clear, class? Okay, class, you may now proceed to your group and you may now start the activity. Okay, class, did you enjoy our activity? Okay, very good. Okay, class, I have a question. What have you observed to our activity? Anyone from the class? Okay, Mr. Valencia. Very good. So those are connected with our topic for today. Our topic for today is farm plants and layout, single row planting. But before we proceed to our discussion, let us read the objective. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to, everybody, kindly read. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Those are the objective. I need your cooperation and participation to attend them. Okay, class, now let us try to interpret this farm layout using 2 guide question. The first question is, what is your area? And the next is, how many rows are there in the area? 3 is, how many plants are there in a row? How many plants are there in the area? And 5 is, what is the distance between plants per row? 6, what is the distance of plants between hill? 7, how many plants are there in a row A? Number 8, what is the length of the area? 9, what is the width of the area? And the last is, how many plants are needed in row A, B, and C? Is that clear, class? Okay, do you have any question or clarification? Thank you. Since you don't have any question, kindly complete the sentence. I have learned that. Okay, anyone from the class? Okay, Mr. Valencia. Very good. The next question is, how single row planting done? Anyone from the class? Okay, Mr. Raywell. Very good. Very good. If since that you really understood our topic, I give you an activity. Direction. Direction. I will group you into 3 groups, and each group we have different groups presentation that is related to what we discussed today. For group 1, you will create a farm plants using single row planting and arrangement. For group 2, create a farm plants using single row planting and rectangular arrangement. For group 3, create a farm plants using single row planting and rectangular arrangement. And that is the rubric on how we be graded. Timeliness, 10 points. Cooperation, 10 points. Accurateness, 15 points. And presentation, 15 points. The total is 50 points. I will give you 5 minutes to prepare your output and 3 minutes to present. Is that clear, class? Okay, you may now start. Okay? Okay, nice presentation. Group 2. Okay, nice presentation. Group 3 is nice presentation. The group who, okay class, the group who got the highest scores is group 3. Okay? Bigyan natin sila ng palakpak. Do you have any question or clarification about our topic for today? If since you don't have any question, we will having a quiz. I have heard answer sheet. And get one and pass. Our class, get one and pass. And you may now start answering. Alright class, you done? Okay. Please pass your quiz forward. Alright class. For your assignment, direction, answer the following question. Write your answer on one whole piece of yellow pad paper. Question. What are the other planting arrangement? Number 2, discuss and illustrate each planting arrangement. Class, you understand? Okay, class, kindly stand. Praise be Jesus Christ. That's all for today. Goodbye, class. Okay.